23, Sunday. I trained and I drank my detox. Then something hit me. A realization that has been sitting in the back of my mind for days. I have been very, very consistent with showing up, but I haven't been consistent with my system. And today, that changes. This is my detox. Let's drink, Charlie. Yeah, in fact, let me be honest with you. I realized that, my thumbnails are getting better. My content are also getting better because when you compare my day one to now, there's a lot of improvement, and I'm really grateful for that. But one thing I realized is that my timing and my system behind everything is not consistent enough. I was trying to do everything at once: film, edit, post. I have a business for fitness. That's BSFit. So I was also trying to, and on top of all that, I wanted to start a new series. That's the Real Talk with Bibi. All at the same time, with no structure. So I realized that this is not discipline. This is chaos with good intention. Yeah. So I stopped and I came up with a real system. So here's what I realized. My Real Talk with Bibi is not launching yet. Not because my content is not good, but because my foundation is to be solid. I made a decision, and here is my new system. I plan everything on Sunday, or how my week is going to be like. I plan everything. On Monday, I shoot all my talking videos for BSFit. Then on Tuesday, I edit my videos for BSFit and schedule them. And every day is going to be for rebuilding series. Then that same day, I'm going to repurpose one shot and post on my personal page and other platforms as well. Yeah. So this is my new system. And here is the awareness truth that ties all of this together. Burnout is not a badge of human. Doing everything is not the same as doing everything well. Your body needs recovery. Your mind needs clarity. Your creativity needs space. Protecting your system is protecting your wellness. Planning smarter is self-care. Plan on Sunday. Execute all week. Rest when needed. Show up anyway. That is the formula. Hi, so day 23 done. I trained, I drank my detox, and today I also had a realization that changed everything for me. I built a system that will carry this journey all the way to day 90. Yeah. I'm not doing less. I'm doing the right things at the right time, in the right order. This is not giving up, this is growing up. I'm Bibi, rebuilding my life, one Sunday realization at a time. See you tomorrow.